Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Meeting Notes in Microsoft Teams provides a place for meeting participants to capture and share notes during and after a meeting. In order to start or access meeting notes, a user must be a member of the same organization as the meeting organizer. Participants who are invited to a meeting prior to notes being created will be able to access them without requesting access. Others will have to request access from the meeting organizer. In a meeting, you can access meeting notes by clicking the More Actions ellipsis in the Meeting Controls toolbar, and then selecting the Meeting Notes command from the menu to open the Meeting Notes pane. Click the Take Notes button at the bottom of the pane. Meeting Notes will then open in the main Teams window on the Meeting Notes tab of the channel or chat with a single page. To add notes, just click into the page and type. Each page consists of a title at the top, which you can click into and change if desired. It also contains sections in the body of the Notes window. You can add additional pages by clicking the New Page button at the bottom of the pane. A section consists of a title above the solid line and notes below the line. You can click into a section title and change it to whatever you desire, then click into the section's notes and type. You can add a new section by clicking the Add a New Section Here button that appears when you move your mouse beneath a current section. If you are in a channel meeting, you'll also see the Wiki Menu appear at the left side of the Meeting Notes window, which acts as a table of contents and navigation menu for the notes. You can click on any of the sections in the menu to jump directly to that section. You can collapse, meaning hide, or expand, meaning view, the menu by clicking the Collapse Expand Wiki Menu button that appears at the top of the menu. When you hover over a section title, either in the Wiki menu or in the main Meeting Notes window, you can click the More Options ellipsis to perform other actions. In a channel meeting, you can select the Copy Link command to copy a link directly to that section to your clipboard, and then send the link to someone so they can jump right to the content. In all meetings, you can rearrange the sections by selecting the Move Up or Move Down links. To delete a section, select Delete from the menu, and then click the Delete button to confirm. After a meeting is done, you can access the notes to review and share. To access notes from a channel meeting, select the channel where the meeting took place, and then locate the meeting on the channel's Posts tab. Under the meeting, click the Show Notes in Full Screen button. If you don't see the button, you may need to click the Replies link below the meeting to expose it. Alternatively, you can simply click the Meeting Notes tab at the top of the channels or chats. Note that if a meeting is recurring, the notes are retained from meeting to meeting, and each subsequent meeting becomes a new section. To access notes from a private meeting, click the Chat button in the app bar, and then locate the chat in the chat list. Click to select it, and then click the Show Notes in Full Screen button in the chat window. You can also just click the Meeting Notes tab at the top of the chat window too.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.